What if I told you that a single drink could boost your gut health, improve digestion, strengthen immunity, and even elevate your energy levels? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, kombucha, an ancient fermented tea, is making waves in the health world, and for good reason. Packed with probiotics, antioxidants, and natural detoxifiers, this fizzy, tangy drink is more than just a trend, it's a game changer for your health. And the best part? You don't have to spend a fortune buying it from fancy health stores. You can make your own delicious kombucha at home, and we're here to show you exactly how. Introducing kombucha, the buzzworthy beverage. Kombucha isn't just another health fad, it's a centuries-old elixir that has stood the test of time. This naturally fermented tea has a unique combination of tartness and effervescence, making it a refreshing alternative to sugary sodas. But what makes it truly special are its numerous health benefits. It aids digestion, balances gut bacteria, supports the immune system, and provides a natural energy boost. In our video, we'll dive deep into why kombucha has become so popular and how you can make it part of your daily routine. Getting started, your kombucha brewing kit. Before you start brewing, you'll need the right tools. Setting up your kombucha brewing station is easier than you think. We'll guide you through everything you need, from a glass jar and tea leaves to sugar and the all-important SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Don't worry, we'll also share budget-friendly options to help you get started without breaking the bank. Brewing your first batch. Simple steps. Making kombucha at home is easier than baking a cake. Our step-by-step process will walk you through brewing your first batch with clear instructions and engaging visuals. Learn how to ferment your tea to perfection, understand the crucial role of the SCOBY, and discover the essential hygiene tips to ensure a successful and safe brew. Flavoring your kombucha. Endless possibilities. One of the best things about making your own kombucha is the ability to customize flavors. Want a tangy citrus blast? A refreshing berry infusion? Or a warming ginger spice? We'll show you how to mix and match fruits, herbs, and spices to create delicious, one-of-a-kind flavor combinations. Get ready to experiment and find your perfect blend. Beyond the basics, tips for success. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to level up. Learn about second fermentation to add carbonation, troubleshoot common brewing mistakes, and discover expert techniques to refine your kombucha's taste and texture. We'll also introduce you to a thriving online kombucha community where you can share your creations and learn from other home brewers. Why you should watch this video till the end. If you've ever wondered how to make kombucha at home or wanted a healthier alternative to store-bought drinks, this video is your ultimate guide. We promise that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to start brewing your own kombucha, and trust us, your gut will thank you for it. Don't keep this life-changing knowledge to yourself. Share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. Let's spread the love for kombucha and embark on a journey to better health together. Ready to start brewing? Watch the full video now and take the first step towards homemade kombucha mastery.